Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete history on YouTube. Now you start by going to the search and type in YouTube, but in this case I'll go straight to my YouTube as I already have it as a shortcut, and then click on it. So once it's open, I'll just make sure my profile icon is showing, which is that, and then I'll move down here to look for my history. Click on my history, and then I'll come to the right, down here, manage all history. I'll click on that. So still to the right, I have a delete icon, and this is where my interest is. I'll click on the drop down. So in this case, it will give you three options: to delete what you have searched or watched today, to delete a custom range. Let's click that so you see what happens. So in this case, you can decide to delete part of the things you have been watching or searching by putting in the dates, but that's not our interest. All we want to do is to delete everything, all our history. So then I'll click on delete all time. So when I say delete all time, it will bring everything I have been searching, and then I'll say delete. So it's asking me, confirm you would like to delete the following activity. This action will disable the YouTube features that rely on the YouTube history to personalize your experience. So I really want to delete everything, so I'll come down here and delete. So then that's how you go about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. Try it out and follow for more tips. And if you're new to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button.